have discussed about geology instead of geography, sorry for that. And today in this video I will be discussing about geography. इस वीडियो में geography के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, और जो कि geography है वो सारा earth related है, earth science related है, और जो कि natural phenomena है वो सारा geography में आएगा. Whatever natural phenomena which we usually see in our day-to-day life, like cyclones, earthquakes, what are the different pressure which usually measure the earthquake, Richirometer. We'll be discussing each and everything in details according to the topic which has been published by UPSC Civil Service Examination. Now the first is, let me clearly brief you in details. I'll be choosing this principle of geography. What are the different principles we should have to keep in mind while doing this principle of geography? The thing is that we should have to give a brief introduction about the physical geography by MS Hussain book, and also from NCERT books. We can fetch the ideas from NCERT. What are the different topics which are being inculcated in the UPSC syllabus. Now let me discuss about geomorphology. Geomorphology के बारे में डिस्कस करूँगा. ये क्या है, क्यों है और कैसा है, और क्यों UPSC चाहता है कि geomorphology इसमें आए. So as far as I have considered, geography is all about study of earth and the altitudes or the measurement of the earth. So let me discuss what are the things we usually see or we usually watch in our day-to-day life, or the parameters we usually apply for measuring the earth science or measuring the earth dimensions. Now let me discuss first geomorphology. Geomorphology is a factor controlling landforms, endogenetic and exogenetic force of condition, origin of evolution at Earth's crust, fundamental and geomagnetism, physical condition of Earth interior, glacial contaminated drift, isolate phase. So इसमें क्या है, जो टॉपिक्स में मेंशन किया है, वॉट एवर द टॉपिक्स बिन मेंशन हियर, यू कैन अप्लाई इट अकॉर्डिंगली टू योर conception, according to your own viewpoint. You can also mention everything in details. इसमें जो भी पॉइंट दिया है उस पॉइंट में आप लिख सकते हैं और अपना पॉइंट्स बना सकते हैं, especially for geography में. Now let me discuss about climatology. So usually we see climate change, we watch climate change in our day-to-day life. Whatever the climate we usually sustain, we will be discussing about that. Everything you should have to relate with current affairs, because if you will not relate everything with current affairs, it is meaningless for those candidates who are been evaluating your papers. So let me brief you that please relate everything with your current affairs. Then only your percentage will get increased by the professors or the candidates who are been qualifying in this. Now what is climatography? जो कि हम क्लाइमेट चेंज और वेदर चेंज जो भी दिखा रहे हैं नेचुरली से, वो उस के बारे में बातचीत करेंगे. जो कि टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर ऑफ द बेल्ट, हीट बजट्स ऑफ द अर्थ, एटमॉस्फेरिक सर्कुलेशन, एटमॉस्फेरिक स्टेबिलिटी एंड इनएबिलिटी. सो whatever mentioned here as all are related to temperature, climate change, weather forecasting. These all are natural calamities which we usually see in our earth surface. नेक्स्ट जाएंगे ओशिनोग्राफी. हम बहुत समुद्र मीन्स अंटार्कटिका महाद्वीप सारे जान चुके हैं, और उसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस हो रहा है वही इसमें पढ़ेंगे, जो कि ओशिनोग्राफी में है. ओशिनोग्राफी इज़ ऑल अबाउट स्टडी ऑफ ओशियंस, अंटार्कटिक ओशन, डिफरेंट कंटिनेंट्स हु आर हैविंग such a adequate amount of biotic and abiotic living organisms. We will be discussing in details about that. What is oceanography is all about: bottom topology in Antarctica, Indian and Pacific Oceans, in temperature and salinity of the ocean. It means that we will be discussing in detail about the ocean and its biotic and abiotic factors which are being inculcated in itself in the UPSC mains examination for geography as your optional paper. Next go for biology. So what is biogeography? Biogeography क्या है? Biogeography means bio means the study of earth science, the study of science. Bio which will be related to everything with genetics. So here we will be discussing about soil classification and distribution of soil, soil profile, soil erosion, degradation and conservation, factors influencing world distribution of planet. जो मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ उस सारा points है. There is no meaning of that. You also have that ability to read and to make a point on each and everything. I am discussing each and every point in details to make you understand about the concept what I am teaching. So I have underlining each and every point which are even necessary for us to make a impact on our learning skill. नेक्स्ट जाऊंगा एनवायरनमेंट. एनवायरमेंटल क्या है? एनवायरमेंटल आप सब जानते हैं जो कि हम कंजर्व कर रहेंगे, जो कि हम कंजर्व करके आ रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं. So let me discuss about environmental geography. It is all about environment and how we usually maintain our environment. What are the climate changes which usually occur in our environmental changes, or the environmental changes which leads to such a kind of devastation in our surrounding. We will be discussing each and everything in details about the geography by Ahmed Hussein book in details in my upcoming videos. Now let me discuss about human geography. अब तक हम नेचुरल जियोग्राफी और हम पढ़े हैं किसके बारे में? ये फिजिकल जियोग्राफी के बारे में पढ़े हैं. अब जाएंगे ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी, जो कि हमारा रिलेटेड है, अल्टीट्यूड रिस्पेक्टिव रिलेटेड है, जो कि हम मेजरमेंट करेंगे, हम उसका बिहेवियरल टेंडेंसी निकालेंगे, वही ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी है. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग ईच एंड थिंग्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी, द अल्टीट्यूड, द लैटिट्यूड एंड द measurement we usually do after calculating the exact location, exact human index of different perspective of human geography. Now in this video I will be discussing the paper 1 of geography, and paper 2 will be delivered in my upcoming videos. Now here you can see in details the point perspective in human geography and the points which are been mentioned. इसमें जो पॉइंट्स है वो भी मेंशन किया हूँ. ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी में जो पॉइंट्स है, whatever points written in paper in 1, we will be evaluating that in basis of what it has been asking for you to be written in the examination paper. Now let's go for economic geography. Economic geography, the world economic development, measurement and problems, world resources and their distribution, energy crisis, the climate growth, the world agriculture, topology of agricultural region, agricultural inputs and productivity, food and nutrition problems, food security, frames, causes, effects and remedies. These are the different things which are related to economy as well as geography as well as the agricultural science. Means it is related, is a combination of both biology, economic and geography. So we will be discussing the things which are related to scientific origination or scientific geography of economic. Now population and settlement, हम सब जानते हैं कि population index, we usually discuss about population index, जनसंख्या. So how it is related to geography? It means that whatever capacity or capability we are having, the earth also should have that. The capacity to handle the distribution of different landforms is all about population, settlement and geography. एक जगह में कितने लोग पाए जाते हैं और उसमें कितना कैपेसिटी है उसको हैंडल करने में, वही है पॉपुलेशन और सेटलमेंट जियोग्राफी. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट पॉपुलेशन एंड सेटलमेंट ऑफ जियोग्राफी. ओके, नाउ लेट मी डिस्कस अबाउट रीजन प्लानिंग एंड मॉडल एंड थ्योरीज एंड लॉस ऑफ जियोग्राफी. हम जो भी पढ़े हैं ह्यूमन जियोग्राफी में वही इसमें भी आएगा. इसमें क्या है? थ्योरीज आएगा. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट डिफरेंट थ्योरीज विच इज बीन पोस्टुलेटेड बाय डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट इन ए स्पुलेटेड टाइम. एंड रीजनल प्लानिंग, यू ऑल नो अबाउट दैट रीजन्स एंड दैट प्लानिंग. देयर इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ डिफरेंट रीजन, एक विभाजित किए हैं एक प्लेस में. वही पेपर 1 ऑफ जियोग्राफी में हम पढ़ेंगे और पढ़ चुके हैं और पढ़ेंगे दूसरे वीडियो में, और जो मैं पोस्ट कर